We are always working on new features for our product and offer updates periodically. If your node needs to be updated to the latest firmware available or downgraded to match an already deployed network, this video will show you how to do it. Please feel encouraged to contact us to verify that updating your nodes may solve a troubleshooting issue, or if there are any other unpublished firmware versions with a fix specific to your configuration. Updating node firmware can only be done through the dashboard website and not through the app. Although this process can be done to nodes in repeater or cellular mode, we recommend connecting the node you wish to upgrade as a gateway with the USB hub. This is to ensure a stable connection as it updates. For more information on different node modes, visit section 4E of our instruction manual on page 13. To begin, simply go to your network and find the node you wish to update on the list of MAC addresses. Ensure that the color on the left side of the MAC is blue. If it is not, refresh your page to verify that the node is in gateway mode. Next, hover your mouse over the three dots on the right side of the node's battery level. Click on Edit to view the node's firmware version. Noting the firmware number, click Cancel and hover over the three dots again. This time, hover over the Firmware List button to see a list of all our published firmware versions. If the latest version has a higher number than yours, it can be updated. Click on the latest firmware version to begin the updating process. You will then see a rotating animation on the left side of the node's MAC addresses, indicating that it is being updated. Updates usually take around 10 minutes to complete, and the dashboard page must be refreshed to determine if it worked. The most efficient way to monitor your updating progress is by watching the node's LED indicators. After roughly 10 minutes, they should go from blue to briefly yellow, then back to blue, indicating that the node has rebooted and reconnected to the internet with the new firmware. Refresh the dashboard page and hover over the updated node's three dots again. Once you click Edit this time, the firmware version should be updated.